70 years ago, a nation's mothers, sisters, and daughters marched together in unbreakable unity. Their fight was for a future where their children could be free. In solidarity, they found the strength to challenge an unjust law. With dignity, they set fire to the chains that bound them, honouring the courage of the women who dared to imagine a different world.
Alright, Mpagati was South Africa, so we took us all over the place. This is your host Opa Mafumane, Sigokasi TV. And manje ke sishayele usisi uhlengiwe around. It's a Women's Month. It's a Women's Day today. So she's here to tell us about her being a woman. What does it mean this day and the month of the Women's Month? It is a national thing, we all know. So Uhlengiwe is going to tell us how does it feel being a woman, and what does it take being a woman, and what also the challenges that she faced or she's facing as a woman. Uhlengiwe. All right.
Yeah, all right.
Yeah, sure. Yeah, no man, just tell us when Uhlengiwe wakuphi sikhiphane ngawo.
Okay. Sabona Mpagati, mina Uhlengiwe Dini wasePimville Zone 4. Actually a principal of ICANN Daycare Center. Ngayicala ngo-2022 with some mishaps at emuva kodwa akufika manje hayi icreche amse right nabantwana by 26 and yeah it's running smoothly. It's a happy crèche. We teach children kahle, shaping tomorrow's leaders today. So through uhambo lwami as a woman, I had to face izinto eziningi because being a woman is not like easy, like opportunities kakhulu abantu besilisa. So mina bekufuneke ngiyabomba Pitori abo online bengatholi sisi kahle kuya online for lezi zinto zoku-apply and so kakhulu travel a lot kuya Pitori. So but seeing ukuthi we didn't get those funds, and the crèche was that back then the crèche only had like 8 students and the school fees wasn't enough, and always uhambo lami bekufuneka kube Pitori, and sometimes ukudla for the children wasn't enough, but we made plans till size sifike manje kubantwana by 26.
Nice.
Yeah.
Okay, so it's a Women's Month, ne?
Yes.
You mean it's a Women's Day actually.
Okay.
Yeah.
Seeing that, 9 August, as I have spent my time reading about 9 August, abo mama bethu abo Albertina Sisulu bayosilwela Union Building ePitori for apartheid pass laws.
Yes.
So thi bonisa ngabo ukuthi babe ayimbokodo nathi ke siyimbokodo. We can open our own business, we can create jobs for other ladies out there and other people out there, like we are doing. We're walking in the footsteps of Albertina Sisulu, Rahima Musa, laba basilwele Union Building bayo protesta for thina kuthi sibe nalaba thuba lawo esinawo.
Okay. Do you think it's easy to be a woman?
No, it's not easy being
Why
a
is not
woman.
easy? Mina sitshela ukuthi akunani uma umfazi.
It's easy and not easy.
Okay.
Okay.
The easy part?
The easy part is
yes,
because we are women. Yes. Because okay, being me, being independent.
Okay.
I don't rely on men.
Okay. Yeah.
So mina noma ngathola umuntu athi zokuthekela inani. No,
No.
I don't take that.
Okay.
I want to do it on my own. Nayi azenzele. Angifuni ukumcindezela. So as women, we should all be doing that. Singacindezela abafowethu. We should be proud of being a woman. Was ukuthi we women ube ne pride. Ukuthi akangenzela kaso uzoba kanjani akunya ngaphandle maybe angaba abangaba I argument sakafela nto.
Yeah.
So nawe ubukeka kabi kuba ngathi bakhe. So ke being a woman funa ukwazi ukuziphatha, ukwazi ukuzihlonipha, ukwazi ukuzenzela izinto ngawe. Hayi ukuthi udepende kubhuti sipali bani ngaphandle.
So the difficult part of being a woman is
the difficult part is those things that we go through as women. Yes, like about what mood swings,
rape
and abuse. Yeah, carrying you for 9 months. Carrying you for 9 months.
Now if you carry for because he refused to pull. I know still early.
Or over matured. Over matured.
Yeah, it's over matured. That's why I hope so.
Okay.
Yeah. Yeah, so carrying us for 9 months.
Now nalinkinga lezi kufuneka si go through ubaba akekho kufuneka wena ofise umntana umchazele maybe umntana umfana kumele umchazele ukuthi kuziphatha uhamba kahle endleleni is right akuntombazana ukulalana nalokho abantwana kanjalo funeka ube uwe i-leader yasendlini ubaba kangekho. Funeka ukwenze konke okuphathene abantwana uphathene nama-house duties uphathene ne-society ngaphandle ubaba kangekho. We women, we have to strive to see that happen.
Okay, so being a woman, do you think ukuthi nithola amathuba fair like us men, or is it difficult ukuthi as a woman uthole ithuba njengami?
No, njengoba mina being the principal of I Can Take Care, it was very easy. Thola amathuba lawo, and tell you something.
Yeah, please do.
Because of Umlubonga.
Okay.
So but
keep a secret.
So yeah, when I get Mara Naleon, it's good for abantu but disabled, good to opportunity. But I don't think it's hard for abantu besifazane ukuthola opportunity. Just good to when if you put yourself with we full, you will get it.
Okay.
You will get it with perseverance and yeah.
Okay. Remember there are women who think ukuthi, I mean, who go through a lot, ne? Abanye ukuthi athole something kumele uthi agcine sekangikhumulela ukuthi athole lento leyo because it's what I told her. Ukuthi you know what, ngakupha this opportunity or I can, you know, give you this position provided you lala nami. So ungakhomenta uthini?
If umama or usisi asithola in that ordeal, akaphume ayofuna somewhere else. You don't have to sleep your way to the top. You can open yourself a business, uqale phansi ngamatamati nama-onions until you figure to the top. No one oke waqala from the start grow a big. Njengoba bathi Rome was built in. Yeah. So
it took years.
It took years to build it. Yeah. So now you can get out of that situation yokulala nalobhuti loyo ushojalo, then ungene uzenzele your own thing or uyoqala uyofuna umsebenzi futhi noma as a cleaner uzokhula from that.
Okay.
But ukulalana for umsebenzi no.
It's a big no.
Big no.
I was spineless.
Angisibali.
And angeke uzofika.
Angeke.
Angeke uvuma. Ngithi nayi
Wash
10,000.
my hands.
Ngithi nayi 10,000. 5 minutes waka.
No. Ngano wahlala ne
10,000 yami.
Ngano wahlala ngayo.
Okay. So you spoke about disability. Abo mama abaphila nge-disability and ababa abused, you know, as a woman. I-message ongaye batshela yona yiphi?
Okay. Obviously, when umama has been abused or raped or and experience of violence in the house or disability, mina ngithi, okay, I know some part of me I am disabled because let's cut ngawole gate ngaba affected on the right side.
Okay.
So my right side is slow. So I am seen as partially disabled.
Okay.
So senyasho ukuthi ungazibukeli phansi mama wami, sis wami, tato wethu. Stand up. Uzibonisa ukuthi now you can. Through the abuse, through the rape, through the violence at home, you can do it. That's why I named my crèche I Can Daycare Center. Noma umntana athi ecathula ngikwazi ukuthi fazi ngiyamtshela ukuthi you can. So ungazibeki phansi wazi ukuthi uvelele yini emuva. Just look forward or strive for what you want.
Do you mind ukusharing mhlambe story sakho about ukulimala?
Okay.
And how old were you?
Okay. Okay, ngalimala 96, 1996, 28 December. Bengina 10.
Wow, okay.
Bengina 10, so yabona is 30 years back because bandikina 40.
Okay.
So bengivali gate, Island gate.
Okay.
Saphume railing. Asiphume railing mina ngazama ukuthi wisela emuva. Kuthi buye. So alingwele igate into engizwe ko andam ukuthi it took 15 minutes ukuthi bazi ukuthi under the gate.
Is it?
Yeah, because I went
scream.
I went unconscious immediately.
Oh, yeah.
But we kicked out cool. Early black, early valekile, no holes.
So no one can see.
No holes, no nothing. So by Tataba father, basebabuza all around, lo ongbonile, but voice vele yahamba ikaphiza athi
akhom
babiza abafana badlala amadayisi ngaphandle ukuthi bazomcitha ukuphakamisa. So abaphakamisa bamthola, then there was no response. Bafunile ambulance athatha isikhathi, then bafunela u-Antoine from Kagiso. She bengalimala eshawela.
Okay.
From Kagiso she came and the husband, then they rushed me to Lisedi. Umama bekasebenza Garden City. Wathi ngicela nikhiphe Lisedi nimlethe Garden City. From Garden City I was rushed to an ICU where I was 2 months and 28 days. ICU but bacima umshini because dala ngihlezi. So mama wathi no, lo mntana lo uzophila njengegama lakhe saved, uzoba saved. So yeah, I recovered. Mara bamtshela ukuthi asingagcini lo mshini uzoba icabbage.
Okay.
Never ngikhona ukwenza anything. Vela angiphume ICU, I couldn't walk, talk, sit, into nje. So
at the age of 10.
Age of 10. So ngaba na 11, took me 5 months ukufunda zonke lezo zinto lezo.
Ukuthi uqale phansi. It's like ubo baby uqala phansi.
Ngiqala phansi. Ukuhamba bengibaka so they had to teach me to left right.
Okay.
So yeah. So yabona noma bang kwara or anything I sing trial mlomo it's a trademark.
Yeah, okay.
Yeah, unique. Yeah.
You're confident.
I'm confident.
And it works for you today.
Yeah, it works for me today.
Sure.
It works for me today. Yeah.
So then, as a woman, how did that affect you? You know, okay, this is my new look.
Okay.
And Maukula, how did you manage?
Okay, Ankula. Okay, indaba zokuthi yabona ne jealously le ukuthi ngana umuntu mina nginamuntu. Yeah. And angibheka bafana like or is it my mouth that's why ngashelwa or is it that? So it's
okay. So yeah, you were saying you know ma ungashelwa.
Yeah. Bengi like you are frustrated. Kuti I'm told umuntu it's because of my mouth. Namanje I'm in on that dilemma. Kuti Mr. Right is not coming. Maybe it's because of my mouth. But ngisana nkinga naleyo nto le. Oba since ngicratch yo umuntu wami. Like laba abantwana laba ngabo yibo bangikhipha busy.
So now Sanagi, whoever who comes will come.
Welcome.
Okay, but then Aniti now is about you, like as a woman.
Yeah,
you know, because it's a woman's day today, and it's a woman's month. So, have you ever maybe met other women who have a disability? When a friend and you put a disability.
Yeah, because back then I used to do learnerships with disability.
Okay.
Yeah, so here's a Seventh Development Bank of Southern Africa as a disabled learner.
Yeah.
And yeah, so it was a 1-year contract. Then you know about papa. I go see ngayocela enye iye. Ngacela enye year. So what when uqavile ngizokupa leyo year.
Yeah.
So we all got 2 years because of me. Yeah. So
because you're back.
Because you're back. So then after get Leo learnership, I got a development bank 2018.
Okay.
Then from 2018 I went to Woolworths as a food learnership with disability. Woolworths then you have 2020. Yes, the idea fully crashed. Then 2022, I fully crashed. Then DBSA, I told Oba Wasamba, Oba Patrick, let's cut us up, Bambila. But anything you plan to do, basically was 5 women, disabled 5 women.
Okay.
With anything, any plan we answer or any phone we answer. Just know that I'm available.
Okay.
I'll help in any way because ngingateka khulu a bank. So, Angula 2022, they were there for me. They gave me toys. They gave me ikuta mara dealing with the children being dealing nabokal about ADHD. So they was so hyperactive. Ikuta lezi ita bang person nowhere to be found. Itulo bezi I had 12 for it class it to this 11. So they gave me lab office. I have a computer, I have a printer, I have a desk, I have chairs. It's all because of DBSA. Yeah, I've got toys in my class, educational toys. I've got papers and all. Because of DBSA.
Okay.
And Tree Foundation labor in the good sponsor.
So now it's Koluma about you as a woman in business.
Yeah.
Okay, so motivation with that.
Motivation. Let me say, me, myself and I.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
You know why? Because you're back.
Because you're back.
So you developed a self,
and because of Klala no Koko.
Okay.
Being Klala no Koko, Mama Mama. Yeah, she used to, like, we are schooling with him, and Shaggy, the cock, I say, when I'm such a bad shaggy, bahle kakhulu ithene kubo leyo joke.
And you did that.
And I did that and it worked.
And
So
they felt
uyasihleka asimgwaro uyasihleka. So then yabona leyo nto leyo yangikhulisa, like angihlala ngitshela ukuthi you should never be ashamed of yourself. uNkulunkulu ukwenza so for a purpose. So now I live for a purpose. Yeah.
Okay. So now there are women who are under abuse. There are women abane problem here, substance abuse, alcohol, drugs. Ungathini ngabo?
Hey, leyo hard because already I'm experiencing my niece going under to lento ye substance abuse.
Yeah.
So with her, nomukhuluma naye, she gets like, uba wild.
Agitated.
Yeah, uba wild. So labantu laba abanami ngeke ngasebenza nabo rehab. Ngeke ngasebenza rehab. And it's like you get them laba come khona ukhulume nabo because bona out there is a talent out there for that they have.
Sure.
Njengoba babhema lezinto, they speak brilliant English and all. They can do things. And women, women, I know you women out there about substance abuse. You can do it. Please go out there and prove yourself. You can leave those drugs. So please do it for yourself. And I know others, you've got children. Please prove to your children that you can do it.
Yeah. Okay. So between a man and a woman, mawubhekile by nature or by nature how God made us. Who is strong?
Wathinta abafazi wathinta ibhokodo.
Okay.
Yes.
All right. So injani?
Ingenjani? Wathinta abafazi wathinta ibhokodo or uzofa.
Yeah, done. Ichayile. Yeah. Okay. So then do you think ukuthi angithi unanto baring married twala couple? Yeah. So just tell us, how deep can a woman go? Ukuyibamba like alcohol.
Okay, mina with that leyo statementless, I support.
Okay.
Because seeing our mothers, ukuthi bothora kubakali, even if indoda kukushaya or ikuchitela or ifuna kubuyele kuyo uyolungisa, indoda izolokhu ikwenza kanjalo because yabona ukuthi hayi lo uzongixolela uthola ukuthi babukali. So mina I don't support that because awubiza uzenza kanjalo uzibekela phansi as a woman.
As a woman, yeah.
As a woman, uzibekela phansi. So as I said, ladies, women, let's have pride in ourselves. We can also do it with men or without men. You can also do it.
Okay. So you're saying women are capable,
We are capable
of doing this of being who they can be. Okay, now tell us about leadership. Do you think women can they be good leaders or?
Yes, I think women can be good leaders because when you do your research about maybe let's take like a counselor wise usebenzile Mabuza. Yes, she led us in a good way. Some people saw it and some people didn't see it. But on my point of view, I saw it. She was a good leader. We had people abaskinela ingati lezala estrateni. We had people abasnetayo. We had people like she came to my crèche was obonisi support which she's there now. So as leaders, as women, I think we can change the country or the location or we can do it as long as we strive and we've got passion of what we're doing. We can do it.
Okay. So do you think ukuthi abomama niyasupportana because ngikuzwa some women complaining ukuthi women don't love each other, women don't support each other, but when if you yakuthi
yeah, that might go with that. As women we don't love each other. As women sacindezelana sikhuluma so asikhulumi kahle with each other. So mina seeing my background ngoba ngikhulele ebafaneni, so some women don't understand me ukuthi why ngikhulumela abafana kakhulu then ngikhulumela bona, because mina I understand ukuthi abafana baphuma kuphi, then ukuthi ngizosayida nabo, then nabo ukuthi as women kufanele sisebenzisane ukuthi sizokhulisana sonke, sizokhulisana kanjani ukuthi ngikwenze kabi then umntana makwenzeka something kuye awusanceda umntana, because mama ngakungeze so never kwenze so. So mara wena as wena uba unenhliziyo enhle and umntana wakhe yakwenzeka so, you're always there for umntana wakhe. So as abomama into engayisho ukuthi please let's stand besides each other. Ngicela simamelena listen to each other. Let's listen to each other. Let's work together. Let's come together and there's a drawing board, work together. Maybe now on the NPO, the NGO, sikahlangana senze into marvelous and massive. Yeah.
Okay. Vuyo.
Sanibona manejane.
Yeah, saphila ba.
Yebo njengoba urana i-crèche ne? Yeah, in 5 years time ufuna ubona ukuthi i-crèche yakho senabantwana abayingaki?
Actually, ngala kweqala from the one run crèche at 5 years time. One run isikolo.
Yes.
Funa isikolo. From crèche to grade 5 to grade 7, standard 5. Yeah. So that's where I'll go recruit nalaba abanama bachelors in teaching abanganamsebenzi. Ngizokona kuba recruiter umsebenzi. So I'm planning to in 5 years time to open my own school. Yeah.
No, that's like a great idea. Yeah, it's inkulu and so far inkinga ohlangabezana nazo currently between abazali to abantwana ngabe yini?
Okay, abantwana like banokudlala lapha ecrèche, badlala snacks. Ubone kuba nzima ukuthi uye kumzali ukuthi umntana wakho uthathe kuphi this kind of behavior. Like so mina into my teachers bayenzayo ukuthi bayikhuze, they don't bathatha i-video mara ikhuzile le ukuthi no, let's not take videos anymore. Sikhuze that thing ayenzeka, sikhuze on that point. So le video le ngayisa kumzali nje kuphela, azange ngiyenze like social. Yeah, abona umzali ukuthi umntana wakho njengoba sine problem naye wenza sona so. So nomzali athi angazuyithatha kuphi. So wabayi so yaphelela kithi saye solve. So umntana usasenjalo mara uyabona ukuthi sekachikiwe uyakhona ukuzibamba. So yeah, so lezi zinto lezo ngizidila kanjalo ukuthi ngikhulume nomzali, hayi ukuthi ngihambe ngiyomhleba ukuthi umntana wakho so ngambone asolo mama umntana wakho sona so. So ngidila with a parent for umntana. I don't go clever to my helper or my cleaner or my teachers. Like teacher gets a good umntana sona so I go to the parent first.
Okay. And then i-parent yona uzile ukuthi ama-parents inkinga uba nazo ngabo abazali leziphi.
Oh, yeah, ne?
Do they pay
yeah.
on time?
Sometimes,
Or
not
they-
all,
yeah.
not all the month, not all the time. Like, in Nkinga, okay, it's like, okay, never in Chicago.
Yeah.
What ushonela umamaki. So leo month boku month ya grant. Ya phela leo week le. I phela leo week, the next week futhi akabhatali. So ngathi mama kwenzakalani? Umntana could never lose the education because of non-payment. So umntana ko ngizomkhipha mara wena ngicela wenze sure ukuthi uyabhatala. So the next week ngabona ukuthi this will take advantage. So ngathi mama ngicela ukukhipha umntanakho until ubhatala school fees. Hayi vele wami later asikabhatela. So ngibona ukuthi lento ukupanisha umama ngomntana ngathi izomsebenzela. Oba ngithi umntanakho ahlale nawe ekhaya then izinto ziyashesha. So ngibona ukuthi I'll use leyo strategy leyo going forward.
But other parents that are okay, via cooperate.
Yeah, not all of them, but unalabo nalabo. But bagcina babhatalile bona.
Njengo principal we I can. They can.
Sick.
Bangakhi othishela ona.
Very true. Yeah, baya rotator. My babies, I keep my babies from 8 months to 2 years. Bahlala in one room. By 14. Then abatala 3 to 5. Imina ngicela ku 5 years. By 14. Then I keep them in one class. Bayafunda ke lapho. Then abo teacher, one week unaba baby, 1 week unalaba batali, nama toddlers, 1 week by change starting 1 week.
Umbuzo wami ukuthi why obaba bangabi nama crash ngoba nje omama nje
Sure.
must be ngapha full to balance. Why?
Abo ba ngiyana bona le creche ngabo next door Ebenezer irano indoda. Irano baba. Nami lesikhathi ngifunda besifunda nabafana. Besifunda nabafana. Bayekelile lento le ukuthi ba generalize ukuthi abo baba bayenza kaso bacindezela abo baba oba nabo abanayo le interest leyo. Asibonke abo baba bahlukumeza abantwana. Kunabo baba laba ba right abafuna ukufundisa teaching.
Okay. Angithi ke ko othanda ukuthi abe ne crash naye. So yipi into ongamtshelayo no ongabatshelayo nokuthi ukubekezela uqala kuphi and
Yo, crash me. Oh,
Yeah.
God.
Akusinto easy.
fanele kube nothando lengane.
Umyemba ube nothando lengane, ube nothando yalento ofuna kuyi-achieve. Like mina angifuna ukwenza i-crèche. Ngicabanga ukuthi ngizohlala nabantwana ngidile nama-parents, that's all. Nokubala ama-attendance register nama-sign in and out phelele lapho. Kanti my Pitori, my online, my head count.
Yeah.
Yo, my head count, my
Nama-course ngapha.
nama-course ngapha. Ngoba mina kahle into ebengifundele bukuyi-Montessori.
Yini?
Montessori is an international teaching where we don't teach the child, we direct the child. Like umntana sithi, I'll do it and you'll do it after me. Like with pouring, with I'll do it and you'll do it after me. So umntana ubona ngawe ukupora.
Ukuthi this is how it's done.
Yeah. Then
Directive.
Yeah. Then yena uzoyenza the same way uyenza ngakhona. So with laba bebangisponsor i-Tree Foundation ethumele i-DBSA bangitshela ukuthi no, we don't support i-Montessori, you have to do it the traditional way. So from Montessori kufunda for 2 years kufuneka ngifunde nale tradition way for 1 year. So yeah, kufuneka ube nothando, ube ne spirit leso luqhuzu lelo ukuthi ngiyayifuna lento le.
Okay, and then ama inspector ayeza also check.
Yes, yes. Yeah, kakhulu before bokuza laba bazo-check abo kitchen ukuthi are they in the right condition, ba-check-a i-office ukuthi zina right condition, ma-menu nani. So manje into enkulu eyenzakalayo since saying thola ama-funds for the first time, bayenza ama-head counts kakhulu. Yeah, nama-survey wama-head counts online. Yeah.
Do you think ukuthi abomama nabo baba who's good when coming to business mabheki? Do you think ukuthi abomama or abobaba?
Both of us.
Ni good in business?
Both of us.
Okay.
Because ubaba naye akanogquzi ngalento ayenzayo, nayo he succeeds in what he's doing. Nathi ba abomama asinogquzi kulento esenzayo, nathi we succeed in what we're doing. Because at the end of the day, mama no baba, they bring usinkwa endlini.
Okay. So now sinalento ukuthi abomama abayenze ukuthi today is Women's Day. Mawubhekile iyasi benefita sonke or ibenefita abomama kuphela. Women's Day or Women's Month.
Yeah, it's benefit song.
Okay.
Mara kakhulu abomama because uyayuzwa now Women's Day. Yeah. So abantu aba recognizable kakhulu abomama.
All right. So at the moment angithi si celebrate nina abomama ne. So as a woman in business sicela ukubona kumsebenzi wakho ukuthi as ukhuluma nge-crèche, i-crèche yakho sibone. Yes, and it's good with abantwana abekho. At least again, you show us. And you told us, Utain, how many years, Manje?
Now 4 years.
Now 4 years, Manje. And how many children?
26.
26. Ah, wow. It is a good number.
Yes.
So it shows you, there are people who appreciate, umsebenzi wakho. So I was leader again. CS Yobona again, a crèche.
Okay.
All right. So yeah, then there's a thing was happening.
Nazo ngidonethelo i-crèche yavala.
Okay. All right.
So le amaleko wa lisikatakalanizile. Yashela amaleko. Yeah, takalanisisemi.
All right. Okay.
Then it's from 3B Foundation.
Wow.
Thatha usponsor ulala sibona udlala kanjani.
Yeah.
Thatha uzolala nosponsor.
No, mfethu kuphela it's comfortable. It's comfortable. Okay, so mina I'm the first born like crèche.
No.
Inspector kabona.
Ay.
No, it's comfortable. Somtana akavuki muzwakalela.
Nabanye ba 2 hours yonke. Abanye bavukile. Kulala yeah, most of bonke.
Yeah.
Then maybe 3 or 2 vukile.
No, it's comfortable. Yeah, it is. Okay, so now as a woman in business, a message unganikeza abanye abomama who are in business or who want to start them businesses.
Okay. Kala, you have to have the passion of into kuyenza.
Yeah.
Funeka ube nogquzu lento ufuna uyenza. You have to strive for it. You have to go out there for it. Ungameli ukuthi ubani uzokwenzela. Just know ukuthi wena into oyifunayo. And you set your mindset kuyo, you will achieve and get it. And you will achieve and get it, and like I can take care of that. So 5 years time, I'm getting my I can take care center plus primary.
Yeah.
Yes.
So like in 5 years time, the whole plan is to open up a school.
Yes.
Ne?
Yes.
Ushage primary school.
Yes.
Not a crèche pay.
Not a credit.
And it's doable, yes.
Yes.
Like you know, like you're saying, Guti, if you put your heart in it, if you a passion, you know, yeah, it's doable.
Yeah.
It's achievable.
Because namanje ngifuna a bigger space oba lokhu ngijikisa abantu abakuna space.
Yeah. Eish. So more kids are coming, but
Yeah.
space is
Space asikho.
so it means ikhona into abantu abayibonile about your crèche. Yeah. Okay. So sicela nje uthumele nje message to all the women out there about Women's Day.
Wathinta abafazi, wathinta imbokodo.
Njani?
Njani?
Eyidala.